What's up guys, Ann here, and today we are going to show you how to use the shape builder tool for your overshot lines. So the only thing we have to do is open up your favorite tool. In this case I'm using Illustrator. One of the first things I do is I just grab a ruler, hit Control R, that's the shortcuts. Grab the ruler and let's just pull over a line about like so. Well, let's pull up the artwork first. I guess that'll make more sense. So we're going to try to find the middle here. And you'll see why I'm doing that momentarily. Let's see, I think this is a safe middle right here. Yeah, I think that looks good. Alright, so we'll lock this guide here. Alright, start off with the pen tool. Let's just do this here. See, if you notice, I'm overshooting the lines on purpose, of course. So if you want to make an exact copy of the line or the thing you just drew, just hit select the piece, hit Control C, and then Control Shift V, and that'll put a duplicate of it. Here, so move this over like this. I think that looks good. There we go, looks good. now that we got that done, we'll just take our artwork. Let's grab it all. Shift M. Pull up the shape builder tool, or you can click it. It's this little dilly right here. We'll go in and just brush some of these off. So this way you don't have to worry about overshooting your lines. Alright, there we go. So what my next step is, the reason why I drew a center point to begin with is so I can duplicate and flip this, and it'd be perfect on both sides. So let's go up here and let's select all of this, hit Control C, Control Shift V. Now we'll head up to Object, Transform, and then Reflect. Hit OK, and let's move this over till it matches on both sides. Make sure it connects. And there we go. We got a cute little bird slash egg, I guess. Works for me. Let's go in here, see if we can join these guys here. Oh, this might be a little, it's okay. All right. And just for fun, maybe we can, 1 second here. I might have, I don't know if he's supposed to, there we go. There we go. I knew something looked funny. Alright, there it is. There you go, guys. A cute little eggy bird, if you will. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.